Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and you're watching the DEP Auto Care YouTube channel. So today we've got a wee review going on for you. It's a good one. This week we're going to be reviewing this. So guys, this week we have the Infinity Wax Express Sealant. I've been using this for quite a wee while now. Amazing stuff. But what is Express Sealant? Well, essentially, Express Sealant gets applied after you've washed the paint. It puts a coating on the paint, it puts a sealant coat on the paint, which helps protect against the elements. Now, this will, under normal conditions, only last 2, 3, 4 weeks. It's not a wax, so it's not a protectant that's going to last a long time. This is mainly for just topping up your existing protection that you have on the car when you're doing your maintenance washes. Now, this is it's basically you would decontaminate your car as normal. You do your pre-wash, you would do your shampoo, you would rinse everything off. You know all the steps, guys. Once you've rinsed off your shampoo, you would apply this, which is a synthetic sealant. You will apply this, and it's essentially spray it on, leave it for around about 30 seconds to bond to the paint, rinse off. It goes on and comes off as easy as that, guys. On, off, as easy as that. Now, it can be applied in a couple of different ways. You can mix it. I like to mix it 5:1 in a spray bottle. You can spray it on the car, leave it 30 seconds, rinse it off, job done. But you can, if you wish, use a snow foam lance to apply onto the vehicle. This is roughly mixed at about 100-150 ml, and then filled the rest up with water. And this is a 950 Pro bottle I got from Infinity Wax, which I use the snow foam lance on. So you would essentially, like I say, rinse the car off, quick on, spray all over the car, leave it 30 seconds, or do that side. By the time you've worked your way around the car, that'll be the 30 seconds for that side. Take this off, nozzle back on your pressure washer, rinse it off, job done. Now, you do have to dry your car after you've used this, because it will, personally from my experience, it will leave water spots if you leave it to dry on its own. What I tend to do is I'll go around with a rapid detailer when I'm drying it off anyway, and that helps with water spotting, but it also helps as a drying aid. There is going to be a small review on this amazing drying towel that I got from Infinity Wax the other week. It's an amazing product to use, and it dries the car so easily. So let's get into the specifics of this. So it's the Infinity Wax Express Sealant, which is a spray-on, rinse-off sealant. It is a synthetic sealant. I'm not going to go into the chemistry and all that kind of stuff, guys. All you need to know is it works. You can buy it retail from Infinity Wax at 500 mils or 5 litres. That's the 5 litre. It is very dilutable, obviously, because it's a spray sealant. It smells good. There's no bad smells come from it. You can use it in the bottle for application, or you can use it in the snow foam lance for application. Allow the 30 seconds for it to bond to a wet car. It's got to be a wet car, guys, and then rinse off. It's just good for topping up any existing protection that you have on the car, or giving a little bit of protection for a couple of weeks until you can get some good protection on, like waxes, SiO2 waxes, carnauba waxes, whatever kind of wax it is you want to use. It can be used on paint, wheels, glass and plastics, so you don't need to worry about where you spray it. Just all over the car and then rinse it off. Now, Express Sealant for 500 mils in the Infinity Wax store at the moment is sitting at £9.99, and the 5 litre is sitting at £49.99. But please remember that Infinity Wax don't sell, the majority of the stock that they sell is not ready to use. It's all dilutable. It's so easy to use, guys, so easy to use. Spray on, I keep saying this, but spray on, rinse off, simple as that, and it will give you 2, 3, 4 weeks protection, depending on what happens. Now, if you take your car to your local car wash, or your customer takes their car to the local car wash, it is more than likely they will wash it off, just because of some of the chemicals that they use. So if you take your car to a local car wash, get yourselves a 500ml bottle of this. When you come back for the car wash, wet it with a hose, spray it on, rinse it off, dry your car. That's it, protected again, ready to go. So yeah, this is a really quick review of this product, because there's no point, you can't really go in depth with this stuff. It's an amazing sealant. It gives great water activity, water beading and all that, repellency and stuff like that on the bodywork. You'll see that when you use it, guys. It's spray on, rinse off, dry your car. Simple as that. If you want to get one of these with a spray gun, you can buy them from Infinity Wax. It's a 950ml bottle with a Pro trigger. But yeah, amazing stuff, great for topping up any existing protection that's already on the car, and like I say, used in conjunction with a rapid detailer when you're drying your car. Gives amazing gloss, amazing water repellency. Yes guys, that's basically it. So again guys, thanks very much for watching. If this is the type of stuff that you like watching, please give us a subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, hit us on social media, please like our pages. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.